Hi, and welcome to Orange You Glad Homeschool. Today we are going to make homemade biscuits. The recipe is right here, so this is what we're going to follow. I'm pretty sure there is just tons of biscuit recipes. I didn't look at any online, so this is just the one that we're going to use.
Hi guys, my name is Scarlet, and today we're going to make biscuits. First we're going to use flour. Sift 2 cups of flour. Teaspoons of baking powder. One cup of sugar. Yeah. Cup of shortening. One-fourth cup of milk. Lightly blended. Surface.
Scarlet just noticed that there is a biscuit recipe on her baking powder can, and we have noticed that our recipe does not call for salt, which is probably a big mistake. Like, I can't imagine not having salt in a biscuit. So we're actually just going to add some salt to our biscuit recipe. And Scarlett's going to go ahead and knead the dough.
Roll it out with 3/4 inch. Cut it with a biscuit cutter. You can use a cookie cutter if you want it to be like animals.
Bake them at 475 degrees, which sounds really, really hot, but maybe that's how biscuits are made. And it says between 12 to 15 minutes.
I just got a cookie bite. Good times turn into fun times. Does that look like a heart? Does it? Follow me. While this is baking, we can clear up our station. We can brush some butter on top.
Do you like it? It's a homemade biscuit.
Yeah, I kind of like it. I love it.
Good job. It's kind of flaky too, huh?
That's the best part.
Mmm.
No crumbs.
Smile.